the all-new Lexus-GX and the first-ever Lexus-TX 2024 world premiere. Set to soon make its debut alongside the three-row Lexus TX, the third-generation GX is set to bring about some radical new changes. The automotive world will tune in to witness the grand reveal of the all-new 2024 Lexus-GX. After patiently riding through the decade in its previous guise, an all-new mid-sized luxury SUV will finally break free, ready to dazzle us with its bold, reinvented self. Any rumors hinting at the impending TX SUV, essentially the Lexus version of the Toyota Grand Highlander, spelling the end for the GX, have been silenced. The LX's more rugged upcoming sibling stands tall, its teasers sparking intrigue and admiration in equal measure. The shared spotlight with the TX has only intensified the curiosity surrounding the GX's reveal. What do these teaser images from Lexus reveal? A promise of a more luxurious yet bold silhouette, showcasing broad shoulders, a full-width LED light bar, and a modernized D-pillar, with a hockey stick-style kink. These design cues whisper a new age ethos while maintaining the GX's familiar spirit, striking a harmonious balance between classic and contemporary. In the SUV universe, the GX has held a unique position. Its blend of ruggedness and luxury were not something many SUVs can still match. So let's try and decipher what the latest 2024 Lexus GX teasers tell us, and discover what else awaits beyond the GX itself. In terms of design and exterior styling, the reimagined look, encapsulated in the pair of teaser photos released by Lexus, sheds light on the remarkable transformation the GX has undergone. The prominent angular headlight design of the previous generation have been elegantly refined into a sleek, angular pair of triple LED beams with a DRL sitting at the bottom. Nestled beneath a chiseled design of the hood, these cutting-edge lights certainly add a touch of intensity to the SUV's front fascia. Accentuating the GX's muscular appeal, the sculpted wheel arches and a sturdy hood add an element of brawniness to its aura. Drawing inspiration from its Toyota siblings, the 2024 GX flaunts similarities with the Land Cruiser. A closer look at the hood also reveals a distinct bulge, a nod to classic Range Rover designs, albeit with a modern interpretation. The rear, in contrast, adopts a touch of sophistication, sporting a full-width LED taillight elegantly integrating the Lexus insignia. The customary spindle grille retains its spot, albeit in a bold, chrome-free avatar, while the overall design resonates with the aesthetics of the latest Toyota Sequoia. As the veil lifts further on the 2024 Lexus GX, the spotlight is firmly on the striking design shifts. Each teaser offers a tantalizing glimpse of the SUV's transformation, setting the stage for what could be the segment's next design benchmark. The next-generation Lexus GX's anticipated performance capabilities. A sneak peek into the imminent future, the 2024 Lexus GX is striding towards a compelling blend of bold design, performance, and refinement. While Lexus has skillfully preserved the specific technical details, enthusiasts and industry insiders have begun stitching together a tapestry of potential. At the heart of this tale lies the TNGAF architecture, a shortened body on-frame platform. This design backbone, acclaimed for its versatility and strength, currently serves as the bedrock for the international market Toyota Land Cruiser 300, Sequoia, and Lexus LX 600. By inheriting this platform, the next-generation Lexus GX promises a firm commitment to off-road dexterity, while potentially enhancing on-road performance, wrapped up in a package to continue to provide a solid dose of Japanese luxury. The probable evolution of the 2024 Lexus GX's engine. The narrative surrounding the next-gen Lexus GX is punctuated by a significant shift for the celebrated off-roader. As Toyota reimagines its truck and SUV powertrains, the winds of change are also expected to sweep the GX lineup. Goodbye V8 engine. The 301 horsepower 4.6-liter V8 found in the current model stands on the edge of a fond farewell, as speculation mounts about a leaner, yet potent replacement. Early reports indicate a likely pivot to a four-cylinder hybrid powertrain, more specifically, the 2.4-liter iForce Max hybrid engine that we've recently seen in a slew of Toyota SUVs and pickups. This power plant, which has already garnered acclaim in the Toyota Crown, promises an impressive output of 340 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. The V8 exit is not entirely surprising, with both Lexus LX shedding its V8 power and Toyota transitioning its Tundra to a turbocharged V6. The move aligns with an emerging trend. The next-gen Lexus-GX forges its unique trail. The advent of another Lexus SUV, the all-new Lexus-TX, did little to unsettle its steadfast presence. While the TX, with its car-like stance and spacious three-row layout, caters to the luxury family SUV segment akin to Audi Q7 or Acura MDX, the GX takes a path less trodden. The GX appears to tread on a more rugged terrain, sustaining its two-row design with a possible addition of an optional, occasional-use third row. This defiant stance against the tide underlines the GX's adventurous spirit while still holding firm to its luxury pedigree. Inside, the GX is slated to step up its game with an enhanced interior setting. Falling in line with the recent trend of Lexus and Toyota's design philosophy, a large touchscreen should take center stage, promising a more intuitive control over the media system. Beyond aesthetics, the GX is poised to be a tech-forward haven. It's speculated that the cabin will integrate the latest infotainment, comfort, and safety features from Lexus, ensuring an elevated on-board experience for its passengers. With such advancements, the 2024 Lexus GX should once again set a high bar for luxury SUVs. The 2024 Lexus GX expected price and scoop on the 2024 Land Cruiser. Now beyond the GX teasers that we've seen from Lexus, do the upcoming midsize Lexus SUV also hint at the highly anticipated US-bound Land Cruiser? In the video above from YouTuber Kirk Kreifels breaks down some fresh new information about the 2024 Land Cruiser, as seen in the latest edition of the Japanese publication, Best Car Web. He goes over everything from exterior design, dimensions, expected powertrains, and pricing. Coming back to the GX, it is after all, a close cousin of the Toyota Land Cruiser, a name currently absent from American shores but echoing in industry corridors with whispers of a comeback. If industry insiders are to be believed, the next American Land Cruiser might don a Toyota badge while mirroring the blueprint of the GX, a possibility stirring palpable anticipation for the 2024 model year. While the rumor mill churns, Lexus remains coy about the pricing strategy for the 2024 GX. But a discerning look at its sales performance offers us some telling clues. Given its sales success in the current $60,000 to $70,000 price range, it's plausible this will serve as the pricing baseline for the forthcoming model. As we inch closer to the unveiling of the third generation, the intrigue builds. So, as the 2024 Lexus GX gears up for its grand debut, a thrilling transformation from the ground up is set to take place, signifying a fresh new chapter.